Welcome to ChatGenie. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a Meta Business Manager account to boost your ad campaigns. Integrating your ChatGenie in App Store with this account unlocks powerful tools for gaining insights into customer behavior, helping you refine your advertising strategy. Let's begin. But first, what is a Meta Business Manager account? The Meta Business Manager account keeps your business Instagram and Facebook tools in one secure place, separate from personal accounts. This ensures your business assets stay safe and makes it easier to control who has access. It also offers additional tools to understand your customers and manage advertising budgets efficiently. Before you begin, you must have a personal Facebook account. You'll use it to log in to Meta Business Suite or Business Manager, where you can create your business portfolio. You are allowed to create up to 2 business portfolios. To create a business account, go to business.facebook.com in a desktop browser. You will also use this address to log into Meta Business Suite or Business Manager. If you already have access to Meta Business Suite and Business Manager, simply click the drop-down menu at the top of the sidebar and proceed to the next step. Click the Create a Business Account button. Enter your business details: business account name, first name and last name, and your business email. Click Create to create your account. You'll get an email asking to confirm your business email address. Once you've created your business account, you can add business assets such as pages, ad accounts, and datasets and Instagram accounts. You can also invite people to join your business account and assign them assets to work on. If you work with an agency or consultant, you can add a partner to your business account in order to give or request access to business assets. Once done, you'll be able to effectively manage your business on Meta's platforms, refine advertising tactics, and understand audience engagement and performance better. If you need assistance or have any inquiries, feel free to reach out to our support team. Keep informed by visiting our website regularly and following us at chatgenie.ph for the most recent updates and discussions.